Hello guys and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video we are going to check out a ROM called Project Arcana. Many of you might have heard about Project Arcana. It's a very nice ROM and I have compiled the same Project Arcana for, it was not Arcana, I think it was Arcane OS for my device Wings, which I will post the review of Android 11 version of this particular ROM in the description below. And one more thing is the ROM is Android 12, which we are trying to see today. As you can see, let me go to the device version name and stuff like that, so you can see more information about the particular ROM. To begin with, Arcana do have different kind of user interface. Let me roll out the quick settings panel. This is how the quick settings panel looks like. Well, to be honest with you, we don't have this standard 3-tile thing which comes with the ROM, but I did this kind of arrangement via flashing a module in Magix. Yeah, so sorry for the bad pronunciation. Well, that is how I have attained such a layout for the quick settings panel. Well, the quick settings panel do look really nice, and there is also a automatic brightness button which is available over here and which is useful too. So that's really nice feature. So the ROM version which is right in front of me is the GApps version of ROM, and as you can see that they are using the latest Octavie dialer, so that's really cool too. The launcher that they are using in this particular ROM is Launcher 12. So this is how the Launcher 12 looks like. I guess you guys are really familiar with the launcher because many ROMs do use that kind of launcher these days. So this, I mean, there is not much Google applications being inside the ROM, so it's kind of debloated ROM which do really look nice. From the settings page onwards, we can feel the variety UI. Well, we cannot say variety UI, but instead of that, it's a cool UI. Well, I don't think that I need to go through each and every function of this particular settings page, but what I will do is I will go through the customizations which the ROM offers us. So the customization name they have given is this one, Trusdin's layer. Okay, let's select that. So it begins with the status bar customization. So we can customize the battery settings, we can go through the battery styles, we can arrange the battery into different shapes and stuff like that. So yeah, and we can have the battery bar if you want it to be enabled. Then carrier label setup where you want to display it. Then clock and date settings. Then comes the status bar items, what all notification icons that has to be displayed. Then comes the traffic indicator. Well, really we have quite a lot of choices for the traffic indicator activity type, so we can select from that from this particular thing. Then is the Trusdin's chest. Well, if you want to enable the Project Arcana logo onto the status bar, definitely you can do that. Well, you have Volite icon, which you can, if you want to display Volite icon, you can certainly do that. So these all are the options that are available here. So let's move on to next one, which is the quick settings panel. Let's begin with the notification. So if you want to have some notification count that we get in Havok and stuff like that, you can definitely do that. And these all are the options which are available with the notification option. And secondly is the quick settings one. Well, quick settings, we are having a lot of customization options such as brightness slider, whether we want to see the brightness slider, whether you want to see brightness slider in the quick settings that you can do. At the bottom, well, if you want to show the brightness slider at the bottom, definitely you can do that. And there is one more interesting function over here, which is the quick settings clock picker. So basically we are given two choices for the quick settings clock. As you can see, the choice number one was image clock, let me begin with the choice number 1. This is the image clock that we are having, or else we can choose another clock called big clock, and let me show you guys. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I mean, it's really nice and it looks really cool. Let's move on to the next step, is the navigation bar. So basically these all are the options that are available to you, and the lock screen, user interface, well, nothing much in it, but some useful options. So yeah, we can customize the lock screen shortcut as per our wish. So you can choose applications or you can choose custom shortcuts for it. And finally is the system customization option. So under battery, you can enable battery light. Well, in Poco we don't have battery light, so charging light, so it's not of any use. Buttons, we can really customize the power menu button. So if you want to enable it or disable it in the lock screen, go for advanced reboot options, and can select a couple of other options too. Yeah, then we can have the music control, reorient, blah blah blah. So really I don't use those functions, but yeah. Customization, again there is a customization. It's kind of theme that we can select. I mean, if you want to select custom theme color instead of using the default color that is being used in the wallpaper, you can certainly do that with the enabling custom color. You can set up custom color code, and you can have custom colors. So Grimoire, let's have a look what it does. Is, yeah, we are having icon pack. So basically you can select a different sort of icon packs. I hope that is being clear to you. Let me zoom in quite a bit. Yeah, so I hope now it is clear to you. These all are the icon pack options which are available to us. And really we do have headline or device font options are available here, and these all are the font options which are available with this particular row. Or else we can use the custom font. We can select the custom font, and we can select the custom font from our folder and install it to the row. So yeah, that's really nice, and this is an option which I have just seen in this particular ROM. I'm not sure about any other ROM which has the option. Maybe it has, but I haven't used any of those ROMs which has this particular option so far. Then there is the gaming mode. If you are a gaming enthusiast, definitely this is a helpful feature for you. So yeah, you can enable the gaming mode over here. I don't play games, so I cannot really describe to you what it is going to do with the gaming mode. And general tweaks, these all are the options which are available in the general tweaks page. Well, that is about the customization option that are available in the Project Arcana. And next is wallpaper and style. Definitely we can choose either wallpaper color or basic color. We can change wallpaper, and we can see a lot of wallpaper option which is being given in the ROM, inside in the ROM itself. So you can choose variety of images, which is also really nice too. And well, further we don't have any much different options that is available in the ROM, but let's go to the systems, and these all are the options that are available here. And especially in the gesture navigation, we can really hide the gesture navigation bar, and we can really adjust the gesture navigation length. And if you want full screen gesture, if you don't want the pill that is being displayed over here, definitely you have the option for that. So what are my final verdicts about the ROM? I've been using this ROM for more than 24 hours now, and the battery backup is really good. So commenting on the battery backup, it's really nice. And commenting on the usability in terms of features and stuff like that, it's really cool. And the user interface especially is really nice. As you can see that there is no scroll lag. So definitely this ROM can be a daily driver. Well, the AC Linux is enforcing, and as per the device information, it's a user build too. It has minimal G apps, which means it's not bloated and it's not going to take up your RAM and stuff like that. too much RAM and all. So let's have a look how much RAM it has occupied now. As you can see that it has 2.5 GB. It has used 2.5 GB out of 6 GB memory. So really guys, this is a wonderful ROM. If you wish to use it as a daily driver, definitely you can go for that. It's one of the stable ROM which I have used so far in Android 12 for Poco M3. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching Let's Talk by George, and please make sure that you stay tuned to this channel, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates.